get Therese. 410 to go.
Bye-bye, nice weather. Hello, plane rides. And yeah, we're gonna throw the suitcase away when we get there. It's just easier to travel, get some things for Christmas with us. While Cody jumped on the first weather window out of Carolina Beach, Millie and I prepared for our last goodbyes. After 6 weeks in Norway, it was time to go. Boat life brings forward so many emotions, especially in regards to family. We can't see them all the time, and goodbyes are often indefinitely. With Millie, it is even harder, because things change so quickly, and she's growing so fast, we have to constantly be grateful that video calls exist. Yeah, right? You ready? Okay. Let's go. I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel. Cody was making way just in time for our arrival with his friend Hunter, and things were looking up for a family reunion after Millie and I were forced to fly in instead of joining the final leg of the passage on board.
Any fish?
Yeah, what?
One fish? Alright, so we are at day 2. We just checked into Freeport. Everything went fine. Got our permit to cruise for a bit, got our fishing permit. And now we're just hopping down the berries because we lost all wind. So we're just looking for fish out here. Dude, we've at least covered a quarter of a mile. You saw one fish. Any coral heads?
I don't know what this specific activity is called, but Cody was for sure taking advantage of Hunter's ability.
Is it grass or coral?
No, it's grass.
Oh, it's just grass.
Yeah, there's no coral.
No coral?
No.
All right, we'll keep moving in. We're in 40 foot here, so. If you see any big rocks, let us know.
You what?
Any big rock piles or something, let me know.
All right, yeah, I'm not seeing any.
All right, cool. Oh, that's where we're at in life. Still making it happen. Just trying to find a nice place to go spearing while it's, well, no wind, so we can't go sailing, so we might as well do something. I don't think we're supposed to do this though, technically in the safety handbook. How's the water temp? Oh, well, there you go. Well, could be worse. Maybe should I keep your fishing lure out behind you? Is that okay?
Men...
Alla bästifar.
Abbe. Vänta ni. Finns till papparna? Yeah. Okay. This is sad.
Yeah, it is sad. As we drove out the snow-covered driveway, I couldn't help but feel more emotional than I usually am.
Alright, we made it. Just sailing 100 miles out of the way. Just to go 50 miles. Nassau, Bahamas. This is the closest I can get to the airport.
Maybe it was the fact that this time I really had no clue about next time.
Hey, is this recording? Blinking red? Oh shit.
You're asking the wrong.
Oh. I got a blind first mate.
Colorblind.
But we still made it across the stream and all the way down here.
As Millie and I made it through check-in and security, a task in itself during these COVID times, Cody and Hunter were hunting for a good shot.
You see what I'm talking about? That's a yellowtail snapper. They're very good to eat.
As it turned out, they were few and far between, but knowing Cody, being back in the water was part of the prize itself. I don't think I even had thought about worrying at this point, as we had a good trip planned ahead. One short flight to London before a night at a hotel and a non-stop flight from London to Nassau. Not only had we done this alone a few weeks ago, but this time we were headed back home. And knowing how much Cody had been through to get there, my little task of getting Millie safely back to him didn't seem impossible, even though the exhaustion I experienced last time was fresh in my memory. And as Cody lives on the edge, he got through his first shark poke of the season. We are getting ready for the final leg. It is really early in the morning, about 5 a.m. right now. So, wish me luck. 9 hours, 40 minutes on a plane. And as Millie and I got closer and Cody realized there was no fish challenging him, the most random sight of dolphins came upon him and Hunter. A playful scene of dolphins hanging out, not noticing they had company right away. And if you listen carefully, you'll hear them gossip. And then they got noticed. You excited, honey? You're gonna go see Dad? It's been a long day.
Been a long airplane flight, now we're here.
Who is it? Who is it? He's been upstairs saying, Papa, Papa, in the last part. Security. Is it Papa? Is it Papa? Very confused.
Oh, I missed you, honey. I missed you. I missed you too.
Missed you too. You back in your spot? Yeah. These waves. You're rolling, but you're not falling this time. Hi. Yeah, you can sit. Try to build a fort so you can't get out.
Good morning.
Good morning. Millie, what do you think about Hunter? Do you like him? Yeah. You think it's sad he's leaving? Should we keep him?
We need to stay, don't we, Millie? Yeah.
Yeah. I think we gotta bring him back. Yeah. That's what we're doing.
Yeah, see. Do it.
Hey, Hunter. How was it?
It was amazing. I loved sailing from Fort Lauderdale, West Palm to Nassau and the many stops in between.
And how did it go in the first night? How colorblind are you?
Very colorblind. Cannot tell. Yeah, I cannot tell the ropes apart.
So note to ourselves, we need to like mark the lines for our next colorblind passenger.
Me and Millie are best friends now.
Yeah, except she's a little hungry right now.
Yeah.
All right, she's waving bye-bye.
All right, bye, bye, bye.
Well, Hunter's leaving us. So when are you coming back?
Hopefully in January or February.
That is awesome.
Yep, I want to come back.
A new part of our hive.
And bring a wetsuit.
Then bring a wetsuit next time.
It gets a little chilly.
Lesson learned.
Oh, we did it. We made it safe.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. Oh, that's what. Oh. Oh.
NASA doesn't really host a scene we want to stay in, so we really can't wait to go cruising the islands. But unfortunately, first that meant saying goodbye to Hunter. Millie apparently has a thing for handsome guys with dark hair, so you could tell she felt the vibe when her new best friend had to leave.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I want to throw this on your bag.
What are we gonna do now? Gonna be just us for a few days? We can get the boat ready for more visitors? Yeah. Yeah, bye-bye. It's a little sad, isn't it? Yeah. Sad when people leave. They have to. We live on a boat. That's how our life is a little bit. Let's go get milk. Hunter left, and for the first time in weeks, it was just the three of us left alone. We had a lot of family catching up to do before we were expecting more company for Christmas.
Your curls and my curls. Should we say hi? Can we wave? Can you wave? Like this? Wave. Can you wave like this? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're with Papa? Yeah, Papa. And you woke me up too early. You're just being silly because you're on camera.